Welcome to TechnoTutor TV, your destination for quick and practical tech tutorials. Subscribe now to stay updated and simplify your digital life. If you want to remotely turn on your PS5 using the PlayStation Portal, follow these steps. On your PS5, go to Settings and select System. Ensure the option Enable Remote Play is turned on. This will allow your PS5 to connect with the PlayStation Portal remotely. Next, navigate to Settings, then Power Saving, and choose features available in rest mode. Enable both Stay Connected to the Internet and enable Turning on PS5 from Network. These settings are essential for turning on your PS5 remotely. On your PlayStation Portal, press the PlayStation button, go to Power Options, and select Enter Rest Mode. This prepares your PS5 to be turned on remotely. Disconnect from the PS5 and select Accept. Then power off the PlayStation Portal by holding the power button until it turns off completely. To turn on the PlayStation Portal, hold the power button until the PlayStation logo appears. This will initiate the connection process with your PS5. Once the PlayStation Portal is powered on, your PS5 will automatically turn on. You'll see a message on the screen saying Ready to Play, indicating the connection was successful. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to TechnoTutor TV for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.